Our next technical session, that's number 3, is the Intelligent Tool Room Evolution. We have Mr. Saravanakumar N, Chief Executive Officer, CAD Macro, joining us here. And as he joins us, please join us in putting your hands together and giving him a warm reception. Over to Mr. Saravanakumar N.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure that I'm standing in front of you in the second ITS. It's my honor to be talking about intelligent tool room evaluation in front of the tool room stalwarts. Why we coined this intelligent tool room? The objective, we coined the name very cautiously. Nowadays, the jargon is AI, but we are insisting on intelligence because tool makers are intelligent. They can design any product, but AI need a lot of data. If you ask AI to do new design, it may get stuck because it requires data. That's the problem. So we always give the credits to the tool makers. They are making the world move up and run. See, I'm going to talk about in 6 points. One is that what is intelligent tool room and our approach towards intelligent tool room and unlocking the values of intelligent tool rooms. Barriers to intelligent tool rooms, yes, of course. And innovation at every stage of the value chain, how CAD Macro can synchronize with the ecosystem and help to become your tool room, become an intelligent tool room. And partnership, always we need your partnership to develop the concepts from the concept to the reality. Because we, CAD Macro, we started our founder, Mr. Manikam, started the operations from the tool room. So he started from tool room and designed the products to the technology end. Thank you. See, the intelligent tool room, it's not only the evaluation of, it requires the transformation and from the traditional tool room into a digital twin tool room. That is very, very important. Digital driven is not going to happen just like that because tool rooms has various machine, man, design, so many departments need to be integrated. Right from the beginning of design, from the concept of new product development. See, in today's industry 4.0 manufacturing competitiveness, we Indian tool rooms and manufacturers are required to be quality, speed, as well as cost effective. The evaluation of tool room, intelligent tool room is just not a technology upgrade. It is a strategic necessity for modernizing the tool rooms to bridge the gap between the skill, craftsmanship, and digital intelligence, enable industry to meet the global standard and foster the innovation, productive and sustainable growth. See, we coined it in 5 points. One is that conventional tool room, I don't want to explain about the conventional tool room. You all know very well about it. It's a manual-based process where you don't have much of digital information. Most of them are in paper and other stuff, and your predictive maintenance will be on the run only, you can know that. And digital assist tool rooms. Digital assist, once from the traditional tool room, now we are focusing on CAD/CAM and CNC machines, and basic digital documentations are done in the second phase, that is called digital assisted tool rooms and connected tool rooms. As per my knowledge, most of our tool rooms are not connected because we are not integrated MES or ERP within this tool room. So far, we are running between the 2 and 3. And now I'm going to talk about intelligent tool room, that is the fourth point, It's an IoT-enabled driven system with AI-powered prediction as well as analytical designs, digital. And the fifth one is our vision. It should be, the tool room should be autonomous one. It should be driven by AI as well as with less manpower. That's the objective of it. Okay, the design of new generation tool rooms, I just talk about it. Conventional tool rooms, from manual tool design machining, paper-based, and reactive maintenance. Once the repair is happened, then only you come to know the failures and other stuff. Limited integration with the product and process. When it comes to the digital assist, introducing to CAD/CAM as well as tool programming, digital documentation, drawing logs, maintenance, and CNC machine precisions and barcode for your materials and other stuff. This could be the digitally assisted. And connected tool rooms, you are connecting CNC machine to MES, to real-time monitoring, usage of tools, performance, and preventive maintenance, schedulings, as well as the centralized database for across all department. Reducing downtime benefits, if you talk about reducing downtime as well as planned maintenance, improve the productivity and connected workflow. Better consistency between tool rooms and the shop floor. The intelligent tool room is IoT-enabled machines are really real-time conditions monitor and AI predictive maintenance and forecast wear and tear, and digital twin towards your tool and validation optimization. Automation to the tool storage retrieval systems, as well as integrating the ERP for the whole supply chain of the industry. And autonomous tool room, as I told you, it's a future vision. It's a key way. AI-driven, autonomous, the tool manufacturing and scheduling, self-adjusting the machines. We need to work with the machine manufacturers also to, according to the conditions, it will self-adjust the machining also, parameters and real time. So robotic handling, inspections, as well as fully closed loop and less human intervention. 24/7 operation is possible, ultra-high precisions, as well as complete integration of smart factory ecosystem. By doing this, breaking through the challenges of worldwide, small win, reducing downtime, optimizing tool life, enhancing quality, integrated and seamless smart manufacturing ecosystem. The key insight of this intelligent factory is integrated is the heart of this tool room. That is very, very important, because today, if you look at it, you are working with CAD/CAM, IoT, sensors, ERP, MES integration, maintenance, everything. Data-driven operations will help you by using tool wear and tear, as well as sensors will be used to collect the logs. And the production planning is very, very efficient, need to be very efficient in tool room, because most of our tool rooms are firefighting in a day in, day out because of poor planning, or the plans are getting just away because of the emergency, or the particular tool is not available, the supply chain is not there to enhance it, to achieve that. Digital twin accuracy, virtually we can replicate the tool as well as the machine, allows you to simulate and verify it before going to the production. That is very key for you, which will help you to understand better how the machine is, how many hours the machine is going to be run, what could be the cost for everything should be calculated in that part. And automated inventory management, your ERP need to be integrated with your product code, everything, so that your materials will be on the supply chain ready for you to go ahead the next thing. And condition-based maintenance and skill enhancing, yes, there are a lot of things we need to enhance from operator to all the departments. And this will help you to reduce errors in tool handling. And interportability is very crucial, because we are using multiple protocols, multiple systems, so we need to do that. And by achieving this, you can reduce scraps, energy consumptions, costs, aligning to the green manufacturing goals. See, our intelligent tool rooms approach, how we are going to approach the intelligent tool room. See, by doing one is assess and benchmark. We'll assess, understand what are the, currently the digital is there in the tool room, and define your goal and vision, where you want to go, how we are going to achieve it, and phase out evaluations of roadmap will be given, and then technology integration where and all is required. And workforce enablement, it is very, very key for this tool room industry, because there will be much of resistance from operator to uh, uh, and we'll pilot it, run it, and then we'll scale it. Assessment and benchmarking, as I told you, we will assess your evaluation from design, manufacturing, maintenance, inventory, and the global best practice, whatever you are doing. And vision of transformation of tool room into intelligence tool room, that is the objective. And I'm giving you the benefits, again it is coming again. And technology integration, when it comes to technology integration, yes, we are having some CAD/CAM softwares where you are having some ERPs, where you have some MEAs, or you don't have it, or you are having some IoT device or sensors already placed in this tool room. Wherever it's required, how to integrate it. For that, we need to have a technology integration. And AI-based predictive analytics need to be done. And finally, we are going into automation the system with the CMM and other stuff, inspection tool. Without retrieving from the machine, we need to do that quality part also. And workforce, as I told, right from the operators to tool makers to engineer, from design systems to analytics, everything need to be get trained, and change management in programs, reduce the resistance, and create a digital championship within the tool room to lead and adapt. Pilot, as I told you, we'll put the pilot and run, and we slowly scale up the projects and make to achieve your ROI. These are the phases which I'm talked about. Unlocking the value of intelligent tool room manufacturing. How we are going to unlock? Because when you talk about embracing the technology, you definitely need the ROI. How I'm going to achieve it? For a simple calculation, we put it across 25% of reduction in lead time, 30% of your tool utilization, that is machine utilization, as well as 40% of OEE, which could save the financial impact for a 65 lakhs to 100 crores, 1 crore medium plant. We have just calculated within a 12 to 18 years month, the ROI is over 3 years, 180 to 250% without changing any new machine or anything, whatever you have inside the tool room. Sorry. How we are going to do this intelligent tool room? Digital twin shop floor. This is the key for the topic. Okay. Advanced digital twin technology will transform the manufacturing approach completely, and it will store the intelligence of every tool maker's information right from design to delivery. Okay. Physical shop floors, yes, you know, well aware of it. Virtual shop floor is going to be designed. It's the replica of replica of your shop floor, exactly. Shop floor service systems, which is integrated operation layer, which enables the communication and synchronize the control between the physical and virtual. And shop floor digitalization with digital twin data. How? This is the model which we are suggesting. Currently, you are in the conventional model. Now you are going to an intelligent tool room where your physical showroom, shop floor is there, virtual shop floor is there, and the data, whatever order that you are receiving, that has come to virtual shop floor. There you have to do the entire planning with whatever machines you are having, whatever the cycle time, everything will be stored, and it's a blueprint for your product. The same thing will be going to be manufactured. By the time you may face the changes, whatever it may be, that can be mapped and compared immediately and guide us where we are really having the gap. But in today's tool room industry, there is no such environment to check everything. Okay. Barriers, yes, there are barriers. I don't deny on that. Only 6% of the manufacturers across the globe are ready for this, okay? And what are the challenges? Distribution and decentralization of data access, high investment of CAD/CAM and MES and other stuff, legacy systems, limitations, skill gaps, data solace, that is I talked about, and operator resistance, it's a huge thing, and cyber security concern and infrastructure gaps are there, which I'm not going to talk much because the time is very less for me to talk about it. CAD Macro will help you to come out of this. And the fifth point is innovation at every stage of your value chain. CAD Macro engineering manufacturing solutions will help you from marketing, sales to business operation. How engineering, designing, manufacturing operations, supply chain and service chain, everything is get integrated with the CAD Macro's product ecosystem. How we are going to do that? Right from customer order, if you receive the customer order, that can be received through our Shopland is our ERP cum MES system, which will take the order. Once the order is received, the sales guy can easily run what-if analysis for the plan, and based on his available resource as well as the current load, it will tell you when you can deliver the product exactly. It's the transparency to the customer, whether you can able to deliver it or not, you can tell them and take the time from the customer. And Shopland always have a internal system of keeping the product PDM, that is product data management, as well as we have macro feasibility is one more software which will help do the feasibility before making the tool or taking the order. That one is there, including 3D models, 2D drawings, specification, material technical documentation, everything will be there, and for the new product, NPIs and other stuff. And we have a quote. See, quote is a very key thing for the shop floors, because if you quote wrong, and you may end up in losing your money. So we designed a new software called Macro Quote. That quote will automate the process entirely. By giving a 3D drawing, it will automatically fetch the, understand the drawing, and will give you the complete BOM list as well as the assembly for how much need to be assembled, need to be done, and BOMs and man-hour calculation can be done. And we have one more product in our ecosystem called Macro Planner, Macro Process Planner. If you put the 3D drawing, it will automatically fetch what are the machinings are there, how much cycle time is there, how much tool need to be used. Everything will be come into life, as well as it will be integrated with the TLMS for the ready availability of the tools available for the machining. Everything, as well as the shop plan will take care of the inventory, as well as based on the process planning, shop plan will take care of the inventory as well as the scheduling part for the manufacturing. And our CAM products, the ecosystem of our CAM products, we have a macro turn. Macro turn is used for turning purposes. From 2D drawings, you can extract and sequence it. Whatever operation you want to do, you can do it with the turning. Before going to the machine, you can simulate, verify everything is okay. Then our turn or any CAD/CAM software which we are talking about, which comes with multiple post-process, which will support all kind of machines, major post-process. And if you want to change or modify, that can be also possible, okay? And the USP of our CAM software is user-friendly. Even an operator can do a programming without having any high engineering knowledge and other stuff, okay? And macro wire, most of the tool rooms aware of it. We are pioneering in our wire cut softwares. Now we are having 2D as well as 3D wire cut softwares. And macro EDM is one more CAM software which will help the die sinking part. Seamlessly, you can streamline the entire electrical discharging machines by importing a CAD drawing. Once you give that CAD drawing, it will automatically fetch the electrodes, libraries, as well as the gaps, spark gaps. You can fine-tune it, voltage, pulse, durations, and it will give you the 2D draft sheet as well as the BOM reports completely for your documentation along with the programming. So you can just push into it, verify in the simulator, everything is fine, then you push into the machine. Okay, sorry. And Macro Mill is one kind of specialized software which we developed for making hundreds of holes in a single plate or something like that. For that, if you take a programmer to do it, he will take around 12 to 15 hours to do a programming for 100 holes. It's a costly affair. Your engineer is sitting for doing the program. So this macro mill will reduce the entire time by accessing the 3D drawing. It will feature recognize it, automatically list the holes, how many holes are there, what are the diameters by color coding it, and what the library will automatically suggest you what are the tools need to be used, as well as if you are using special tools, that is also come under the, and you can sequence the tooling also. Based on that, it will do it. It will reduce almost within 5 to 10 minutes, this program can be done from 12 hours. And macro nesting, for nesting, we have a software which will run, not only do the CAM part, it will also handle the project-based nesting. If you are having multiple projects, in the project itself, it will adjust. Suppose today I am put a sheet to do a cutting. I find some wastage, it will automatically, intelligently decide from which other project some parts need to be done. That can be accommodated within the sheet, that can be used and minimize your wastage. And macro design is for designing the tools. And macro simulator, we have simulators, which is actually like a machine which will run as per the requirement for milling, drilling, VMC, CNC, whatever is there. And we do customization for anything, any software which we are required. And this is the digital worker. There are two types of worker. One is digital workings, that is there, as well as the real-time working is there. And intelligence operation, all the supply chains is the key thing. TLMS, you all aware of it. We have developed our own TLMS also, which could track the tool tracking, identification, usage of monitoring preset. Everything will be monitored, and it is integrated with CAM programs, so that if your CAM program is given, it will automatically suggest the tools, what tools need to be used, and keep it, it will push it to our shop plan and tell that these are the tools required, you get it ready done. If it is available in the inventory, or you can order for it. For a click of a button, you can order that also. And historical data analysis and tracking is there. And Shopline, as I told you, it is an advanced scheduling tool, as well as MES ERP, right from customer order to delivery, which we can take it up. And inventory, which real-time inventory can be managed, delivery optimization and resource optimization can be done using our product, T1, T2, everything. And our SIMOE is our product, where it's a OE dashboard, which is AI-based, and it take care of the live data as well as analytic and predict and give you the results. And we welcome you, partnership from TAGMA members and other corporates who want to be partnership with us to pilot this in the intelligent toll room. And combined force of innovation. CAD macro, how we accelerated, as I told you, right from the beginning, we started from the tool room. So now we have more than 25 OEM partners, and we are working with 30 corporate large tool rooms, and 20 plus macro software, that is CAD macro ecosystem is helping us, and 100 plus of consultants for you to support, and more than 5,000 plus license we sold across India. And now we are working with global OEMs also, European global OEMs also, for their machines. And whoever wants to contact, this is our contact information. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I please request Mr. Raj Singh, EC member, to join us to hand over token of appreciation. Thank you so much for that presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, I have somebody in the audience. I'm just going to request that gentleman to raise his hand. May I request Mr. Venkatesh to please raise his hand? Where is Mr. Venkatesh? Right there. He's here. You're Mr. Venkatesh. As we first thank Mr. Saravanakumar, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you.